In this video, I will show you how to transfer Chase points to Southwest Airlines. So in order to transfer it, first things first, just head over to southwest.com, then make sure to create a Rapid Rewards account. Head over and hit the Rapid Rewards option, and then from in here, just head over and then make sure to actually sign up for the benefit. So for example, click onto the sign up option, and then from in there, just make sure to follow the on-screen instructions in order to create an account. Now, once you have created an account, next thing you need to do is to just head over to the chase.com website. Now, for example, I've already created an account on Southwest. Head over first to chase.com, and then from in there, just choose the option for travel. Here's travel right here. Click on it. Click onto this travel pop up. And then once you have done that, you can see in here the transfer points to share. So this will also actually show if you've already signed in. So make sure to click on the sign in option. And from in there, just sign in, and then you can just transfer points to partners. So the Chase is actually supporting the Southwest Airlines, so you can just use Southwest Airlines to transfer the Chase points into.